Hello, my name is Nicholas Gallo, and today I'll be presenting my project for CSIS 3126 Nix List. So, essentially this was a problem, and excuse me, I'm going to have to be jumping from the slideshow to my desktop to be showing this. I noticed that a lead frontrunner in selling things locally is this website, Craigslist. And I'm very surprised by that, as it has an absolutely terrible design, UI, very confusing to navigate. Majority of the people who use this are here for sales, but that's just a very small portion of everything else that's on here. You can find jobs, housing, community. It's just a big mesh of random links that lead anywhere. So my goal for this project was to create a modern and stylish way to sell items locally. So you might be saying that this already exists, and in a sense, it does. We have OfferUp. It's a very stylish website that's a lot more modern, and even a more popular choice, Facebook Marketplace. Except I wanted to create an experience that is solely for selling items. Like I said, Craigslist has for sale, but everything else as well. OfferUp, you can sell items as well, but this also includes shipping. This is more of a mesh of Craigslist and eBay. And then there's Facebook, where this is all local sales, but then you have the whole Facebook side of everything too. It's all just a small subset of what the overall company is. So I was looking to make a website that I was able to post products on, create accounts, sort by features, and have a decently enjoyable UI. Most importantly, I wanted the main focus to be on selling locally. And that brings us to here. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go through what an everyday person would do. So you log on and you're presented with this screen. You're able to go down, see some posts. These are all posted 0 days ago because I just loaded the database. You may also notice, I mentioned this inside my report, but you may notice that a lot of these pictures are the same. I use a cloud database to hold these photos, and you have to pay for it if you use too much. So I'm going to be using new photos for this demonstration, but I tried to save space by using the same 5. So you can look around, click on items, see some related items down here. You get a map to show you where it is. This one is in Tiverton, Rhode Island. You can cycle through all the photos that they have. There's a description, miles away. You have all the information that you need. If you want, let's say you want to sort by a little bit closer, 02919. Let's say you want 50 miles. Update location. It probably didn't change too much because a lot of these are in Rhode Island. Here, let me see if I can sort a little bit smaller, 20 miles. Let's try that. Excuse me. But yeah, see, so it changes. And you're able to sort, and you can confirm it 14 miles away. You're able to sort by distance. So you go through, you have fun, and say that you want to make an account. You log in. Let's make test user. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm logging in. I meant register. I'll use my email. I don't think I signed in with this one yet. Actually, I'll use a random email. Hello. Yotmail.com. Test email. Passwords. And I'll showcase this. Let's make 2 passwords that don't fit. So I'm going to make one design project. Actually, I'll show the password policy first. But you enter all your information. And then you register. This is going to come back wrong because I included all these, but I didn't include one number or one special character. So to save time, it works for the rest. You can test it out, but to save time, I'll do one that works. Nick Gallo at yotmail.com. Test account. Let's do design project.123. Design project.123. 02919. 1555333. For a contact phone, register. Just made an account. You get a little banner up there to make you know that it's all set. And you can now see that the login screen now turned to this. If you wanted to, there shouldn't be anything on here. You can click My Account, You get your name, you get your zip code, your preferred contact, and some information regarding what you have. So I have no items yet, so why don't we post one? Post one now. I completely forgot I'm going to have to grab 2 photos. Sorry, I'm back. I just went to go grab a photo, so I didn't have to go grab it on the screen. So we're going to first go, should have put it on my desktop, right? Got a picture of a car. We're going to open that in there. I'm going to do new car. Let's give it a price. Zip code 02919. A description. And we are going to put that in the vehicles category. Post product. And post successfully made. So some of the back end is this is uploaded to Cloudinary. Like I said, a cloud-based image storage. We have the new car, price, 0 miles away. Posted by test account, 0 days. We are able to edit and delete this. I can showcase that. Right, so we can do that. If we wanted to delete the image, we can click this and delete the image. Let's show another one. Let's make it $1,000 too much. Let's make it $900 this time. Back into the vehicle category. Update product. And it's $900 now. So now let's show a little bit of features with the account, right? See this little banner right here? That normally would not be here. I'll showcase it after when I log out. This normally will not be here. It's only here when you're logged in. This gives users the ability to save a post. So let's say you want to save that. You can show it saved by that being filled in. It's even saved on subsequent visits. I can reload and it's still going to be filled in. Now let's go back to my account. We have one product currently available. We can click back here, go back to this page. And we have one product saved. Let's click our save. And it looks like nothing changed here, just so it looks a bit more clear. I'll save this iPhone as well, just to show that it's working. Yep. And then we have the other one. So we can click on here, go over here, and you can see this is a different user. So this is all the main meat and bones of it, but there's still a little bit more features that we have. If we want to go to one of the categories, let's like clothing. Sort, we can sort by different features. So we have sort low to high, as you can tell, 80s, 30s. We even have next pages, so they all don't load on one. We can then sort by high to low, 800 goes down. Again, see, it all works. This is not going to look any different because these were all made around the same time, but we can sort by newest. Like I said, there's no way to really tell that these were all seeded around the same time, so they're all going to say 0 days. But there's also sort by oldest. So now, let's say we forget our password. We can log out and I know I promised I'd show it. You can see that banner is not there anymore. Say that we want to reset our password. Email. What do we use again? Nick Gallo at yotmail.com. And then we made this test account. I believe that's right. Email has been sent. If the user exists, you can check that. So let's go to Yotmail. I hope that's the right website. Nick Gallo at yotmail.com. Nick's List Help. We have received your request to change your password. Please follow this link to proceed. We are going to copy this. Normally, if you're in an actual browser, this is an actual link. Just this is obviously a disposable browser. Throw that in there, and we can reset password. So this all has the same, just so that the password policy is working. Let's try ABC and ABC. Change password. Whoops. So now we're here. So now say that we want to get a password that goes through. We are going to do, let's say, Nicholas dot 2001. Let's try that. Down here, Nicholas dot 2001. Change password. This should work. Password successfully changed, and I'll just show that it works. Going to do test account. And I know there's no way for you to see this, but you got to believe me. Nicholas.2001. Log in. So I actually logged in. So that's the website. It was a really fun project to make, and there's a whole bunch of features, and there's definitely room for improvement. I would have loved to style it differently, maybe show more related products. But all in all, it was a really fun time. I really enjoyed some of the features that I was able to implement. You can even 02920 if you wanted to. Let's do 75 miles, update location. Yeah, and it filters all around. And you can even see, I guess I can show that the new is working. Sort by, what was that? Vehicles. What was it? Vehicles. Sort by newest. New car comes up here. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for your time.